Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Students, let's do the activity. I will give some cards to you. You have to arrange these cards to make one picture. Shall we start the activity? Let's arrange the cards. Time starts now. Now we get the shape as circle. What do you observe from this picture? Yes, 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fractions. Let's do another one. Now we get the shape rectangle. What do you observe from this? Yes, 7 by 8, 3 by 4, 1 by 6 and 2 by 3 are unlike fractions. Today we are going to learn about how to add the given fractions. Addition of like fractions. It is easy to add like fractions, that is, fractions with the same denominators. Just add the numerators and keep the same denominator. Let's see some examples. Example 1. Add 2 by 9 and 4 by 9. Here the denominators are same. So we keep the same denominator and add the numerators. The numerators are 2 and 4. So we have to add 2 plus 4 is 6. We get 6 by 9. Then we can reduce the fraction to the lowest form by dividing the same number. Here we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. That is 6 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Let's write the answer 2 by 3. Addition of unlike fractions. Example 2. Add 1 by 6 and 2 by 3. First we have to find the LCM for the denominators 6 and 3. Let's find the LCM for 6 and 3. Start with 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 3 doesn't come, so write 3 down. Next, write 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we get the numbers 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Next, convert the fractions into like fractions. Let's convert 1 by 6. By what number should be multiplied by 6 to get 6? That is 1. 6 ones are 6. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. 1 1 is 1. 6 ones are 6. We get 1 by 6. Let's convert 2 by 3. What number should be multiplied by 3 to get 6? That is 2. 3 2s are 6. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Let's add 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. Here denominators are same. Write down the denominator 6. Then add the numerators. 1 plus 4 is 5. We get 5 by 6. Answer is 5 by 6. Example 3. Find the sum 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. Students, look here. How do we write 5 in fraction form? Yes, that is 5 by 1. How do we write 10 in fraction form? Yes, it is 10 by 1. Look here, in this question, 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 4 is given. Here, the whole number 3 is there. How do we write 3 in fraction form? Yes, that is 3 by 1. Now, look at the denominators. Here, the denominators are different. That means unlike fractions. So, we have to convert into like fractions by finding LCM for the denominators. Find the LCM for 3, 1 and 4. Always start with the 2 table. 3 doesn't come, so write 3. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 table. 3 doesn't come, 3 write it down. 1 write it down. 2 1s are 2. Next start with the number 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 1. Now we get the number 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. We get the LCM is 12. Now we convert the above fraction into like fraction. Write the first fraction 1 by 3. By what number should be multiplied by 3 to get 12? That is 3 4s are 12. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. We get 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. We get 4 by 12. Next fraction 3 by 1. By what number should be multiplied by 1 to get 12? Yes, it is 1 12 is 12. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 12. We get 3 12s are 36. That is 36 by 12. Write the next fraction 3 by 4. By what number should be multiplied by 4 to get 12? That is 4 3s are 12. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. We get 3 3s are 9. That is 9 by 12. Now write the fractions 4 by 12 plus 36 by 12 plus 9 by 12, which are like fractions. Let's add these fractions. Here denominators are common. So write denominator as 12. Then add the numerators 4 plus 36 plus 9. Add 4 plus 36 is 40. 40 plus 9 is 49. We get 49 by 12. What type of fraction is this? Yes, it is improper fraction. Students, if the answer is improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. How do we convert into mixed fraction? Yes, we have to divide the number 49 by 12. Let's divide 49 by 12. We get 12 4s are 48. Subtract 48 from 49. We get 1. Let's write the fraction in mixed fraction form. Here 12 as the denominator and quotient 4 as the whole number. Remainder 1 is the numerator. We get 4 1 by 12. Addition of mixed fraction. Example 4. Add 1 2 by 3 plus 4 1 by 2. First convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. That is 5 by 3 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. Here the denominators are different. We have to find the LCM for the denominators 3 and 2. Let's find the LCM for 3 and 2. Start with 2 table. 3 doesn't come, so write 3. 2 ones are 2. Next write 3. 3 ones are 3. Now we get the numbers 2 and 3. 2 threes are 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Next, convert the fractions into like fractions. Let's convert 5 by 3. What number should be multiplied by 3 to get 6? Yes, that is 3 2s are 6. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. We get 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. That is 10 by 6. Let's convert 9 by 2. What number should be multiplied by 2 to get 6? That is 2 3s are 6. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 9 3s are 27. 2 3s are 6. Now we get the fractions are 10 by 6 plus 27 by 6. Let's add 10 by 6 plus 27 by 6. Here denominators are same. Write down the denominators. Add the numerators. 10 plus 27 is 37 by 6. Now we got 37 by 6. This is improper fraction. So we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Divide 37 by 6. In 6 table, 6 6 are 36. Subtract 36 from 37. We get 1. Here, remainder is 1. Quotient is 6. Divisor is 6. Let's write the answer in mixed fraction form. That is quotient into remainder by divisor. Here quotient as 6, remainder as 1, divisor as 6. So write 6 1 by 6. Answer is 6 1 by 6. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you, students.